Liangmai Foundation lam. So what is SWAYAM? SWAYAM I say delo. Chupoka Gloria Daimai point pasir to kaine. So SWAYAM I say delo. Just as he kaine say SWAYAM I said massive open online course platform name. They provide kamlo have platform they provide kamlo sai educational opportunities provide kamne sao medung le lo sai. It is for aliyo katina medung college or university ko katina medong like platform kawibo educational platform kawibo khatle. This is a acronym musikani SI study webs of active learning for young aspiring minds. Develop kamo aisera Ministry of Education medong develop kame lena launch kami boy 2017 ka launch kami boy is applicable website lena sisan khani ko what is SWAYAM lang ka sisan khani ko mesai or courses lena provide to lang ka sisan khani ko mesai https://swayam.gov.in hyperbo website ka lena further inquiry link so I say massive open online course platform में hyperbo platform ने equipped to 2000 courses as a facility to guys में तो there's a hyperbo courses hyperbo platform the people bo deliver to courses etc aliyo katina mai mithu na like free of cost ka pipat khaye tibura paman loma bo paman tima bo course pipat khaye sa pame hyperbo courses I say it ranges per one pating course completion ko pating hasera 12 weeks to 16 weeks depends on the type of courses you opted. So a course I say up to 3 months 3 to 4 months longer any type of any courses in your interest from courses as I sign up to use within 3 to 4 months longer possible. So I say free of cost lay today naluna certificate kai ni ESI hyperbo examination fee or registration fee point na pila game mamsne sigbo details ra idi sin san makaye today we can find it out there's a examination go fees piwo nai exam has a in person attend kamrap ging bame sigaso designated center lam or specific date kadit center pating po one say who's a in person papa na wang sa exam kasi attend kamrap king pame this a hyperbo course I say recognized by the Indian government aliyobo government hyperbo courses offered by SWAYAM na people courses I say recognize kame kadi any certificate you obtain I say all over India country country India country longer valid comes from certificate I say you can use it as your additional certificate besides your college degree certificate or university degree certificate. Just a certificate I say when you go resume or in terms of admission tinga the tinga I say extra or additional certificate comes at him so yeah there's a courses I say paza ipat khaizaba me number of courses I say 2000 courses immediately becomes 2000 courses so hay platform ga equipped to me sigaso offered combo I say reputed to go in university institution medona courses I say offered combo is a season kan SI hay website link talas di kai lo Raiboga in college or university level learners on courses provide committees at the mini. Then the website link sai subjects school level and they provide campus offered campusera and CRT midona kame see number of courses accountancy hanga courses sum bamne any courses accountancy hanga dide bambo don sunyana puila za interesting campo subject or area naluna because we undergraduate courses I say there's a because we engineering, aerospace, bioengineering, etc. Plan a course, provide a number of courses. Middle column gapikaibo say high right corner gapikaibo IIT Madras and doesn't offer Camboy. Computer science, electrical, the number of courses. Computer science hanga number of courses 18 Lame University, Punjab University, Anna University, IIT Madras, IGNOU, etc. For Camboy. General ka King Kabame, management hanga de King Kabame, sciences hanga de King Kabame, mathematics, humanities, number of courses Kadi University na offer to bo Diego University na offer to bo I say I kalam ganyan ko because we language arts and recreation Heidi interest bambo any subject films music say Heidi explore kampasuye general research film studies is in University of Hyderabad, Central University of Kerala course and you can sign it up and learn more. Just Lianglad to encourage a kind of platform I say educational platform I say so access to Swiss about the saying already have opportunity as a long will benefit your advantages like 10 people just the thing just I can thank you.